Welcome to Living with Ataxia. My name is Art Thomas, and I got diagnosed with ataxia in 2022 thanks to Georgetown University Hospital. I'm here to help anyone struggling with ataxia from a person with ataxia. I hope this helps you, and I'm up for any suggestions you may have. This is a computer speaking on behalf of Art since he is having trouble talking right now due to his ataxia. In the future, Art plans on talking in other videos. He will also show you what he currently sounds like since his cerebellum damage. Today we are going to talk about balance exercises for beginners. Nothing too crazy. Always start with these balance exercises on the ground in a clear area, and if you have someone that can help you, that would be beneficial. Balance exercises can be good for anyone in general. I even used it when I broke my femur. It can be good for older people or anyone that has disabilities or balance issues. My mother suffers from multiple sclerosis, MS, and she would benefit from balance exercises, but doesn't want to attempt to try it. Don't be like that. Balance exercises are very good for those small muscles around your hips and ankles, including your feet and core, and the stronger your core, the better balance you will have. When I first started doing balance exercises due to ataxia, not only was I having a hard time, but I was drenched in sweat, which can be surprising because it doesn't look like I'm doing much. And I would fall all the time. Falling is terrible, and sometimes it cannot be prevented, but there's a favorable way to fall to lessen the blow and keep from really hurting yourself. In a future video, I will show you how to fall, but you must subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss that video. It's very important, and I don't want you to miss it because it's very hard to teach and learn. Balance is just as important as walking. If anything, do balance and walking exercises at the same time. Don't do them completely separate like I did. See, not one person pointed me in the right direction for this. Hopefully this helps. I had to be very proactive in learning about ataxia because it's so rare. I didn't start doing balance exercises until I was able to walk. Don't make that mistake like I did. I was given false hope by most people I talked to. With balance exercises, I highly recommend getting a balance pad and some yoga blocks. Videos will also be coming for that. Here are some balance exercises I recommend on doing. First step when doing these balance exercises is do your best in keeping your feet together. You don't want a wide stance because you want to train the brain on how to balance, and by having a wide stance you are not doing that. Your eyes are like gauges for your body and brain, so workouts get much harder when your eyes are closed. For example, when I close my eyes to do some of the balance exercises, you will notice me shaking because my balance is messed up. This is good and normal because signals are going to my brain trying to tell me to stay upright and not to fall. Do these exercises in a corner so you have walls around you. And if you feel it's needed, put a chair or something in front of you to prevent falls. If you feel like you're going to fall, you can always catch yourself. Try to have someone with you, but if not, definitely use the walls for help. Unfortunately, I've had no one to help me, so the corner became my best friend. I used the walls for support multiple times. When I first started doing balance exercises, it was extremely hard for me, but it gets better over time. Just stay positive and keep doing your best. Do a straight balance as shown. Copy me with your arms and hands in front of you. Count to 10, then 30, then 60, then 90 to 120 seconds. Master one time and increase the time. Do another straight balance as shown with your eyes closed. Copy me with your arms and hands in front of you. Count to 10, then 30, then 60, then 90 to 120 seconds. Master one time and increase the time. Again, work your way up on time. Start low and then go higher. Next, put your hands and arms crossed on your chest and look up and down and then side to side. The side-to-side head movement is extremely hard for me, but this is key to helping my balance. Once this is mastered on the floor for all balance exercises, well, for that matter, you can graduate to the balance pad, which is much harder. On the next exercise, step out one leg to 12 o'clock, then 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and finally 6 o'clock. Then switch legs. Do each step for 10 seconds and do 3 sets. The next exercise is staggered step. I really love this balance exercise, and it will really help your balance. Put one foot directly in front of the other with no space in between. Do one side and then the next. Count to 10, then 30, then 60, then 90 to 120 seconds. Master one time and increase the time. If you are having issues with a full staggered step, try a half a staggered step with your feet not directly in front of one another. Again, work your way up on time. Start low and then go higher as you get more comfortable. Remember, I'm not a doctor, just a person living with ataxia. Try and not let ataxia get you down. Keep pushing forward and stay positive. You will get better, but it doesn't happen quick. Help the channel out by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you. Future videos are coming to help you.